Hi, folks. This is Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of July 31st, 2012. The charts I use come from the Trade Navigator software, and our first chart is a weekly bond market chart. And you can see bonds have bottomed right around the 149.28 area, which kind of looks like where they should have bottomed. And the green line here, the moving average, is 151.05, which they're kind of playing around with. That makes perfectly good sense so far this week. They could easily blow up here into this area, which is 152.16. That's the upper moving average and the projected high. And the old highs over 153 are certainly within reach if they get excited this week. A little more about that later. If they should break down, we've got this middle Keltner channel here at around 146.22, which is just below this old swing low here of 46.28. They could even drop that low and still rally. I mean, it's possible that this is distribution and they're rolling over from here. However, all of this pattern, this entire sideways pattern, and even if they break down here, is still occurring above all of these other areas back here, all the highs as far as the eye can see. That's actually still a rather bullish looking pattern, but again, a little more about that in a minute. In stocks, we have a little turn down so far this week, but the turn down has only gone exactly to where they should have if they're going to continue higher, which is roughly the 1370 area. I think they still have the potential to get up here above 114 or 1400, not 114, I'm sorry. That'd put us in the vicinity of the old highs here, and I think they might run into problems there, but I'm not at all sure they're going to get there either. If they break down below 1370, they've got both 1355 and 1325, that's the green line and the red line respectively, that are certainly within reach, and there's really nothing to prevent them from just blowing way down if they don't like what they hear this week. And that's the problem with both of these markets. We have a two-day Fed meeting that will get out and issue their statement on Wednesday. Then there's a focus on what the ECB is going to do this week. Plus, we have employment data every day this week, culminating with the monthly employment report on Friday. I can't remember a week when there was this much external BS thrown at these markets, and all I can tell you is anyone who tells you that they really know what they're going to do this week is either lying or completely delusional, because there's just too much crap going on to know for sure. So at the risk of sounding like the guys on Hill Street Blues, please be careful out there. Thanks for checking in with us. If you find something profitable to get yourself into, well, God bless you. Thanks. We'll see you next week.